Want to make viral AI videos like these without any subscription? You are at the right place. The first step is to create your YouTube channel. I recently created this one and customized it with the help of ChatGPT and Gemini. You can use ChatGPT to generate a professional channel description, while Gemini can help you create a unique logo and banner for your channel. Now, let's open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You can find the prompt in the description of this video. Once you paste it, ChatGPT will generate everything you need. Now we have the top 10 viral AI cat cooking video ideas. You can choose any idea you like. For this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 1. Next, type, generate a detailed video generation prompt, scene by scene. Then press Enter and let ChatGPT create the complete prompt for your video. Now we have the video generation prompt. Before creating the video, we need to generate images for each scene. This helps keep the character's appearance consistent throughout the entire video. Now, let's head over to Leonardo AI to generate the images for all 11 scenes. The free daily credits are enough to create them. Before generating, make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so the images are optimized for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Then generate all 11 scene images from here. Now that we've generated all the images, it's time to create the videos. We already have the scene-by-scene video prompts, so we'll use those next. To avoid paying for a subscription, we'll generate the videos on a mobile device. The free credits on most AI video platforms usually aren't enough to create all 11 scenes. Instead, we'll use Meta AI through the mobile app. You can also generate the videos on a laptop or desktop, but the free version may add a watermark to the final output. Now, open the YouTube app on your phone and tap the plus icon. Next, tap the AI icon in the top right corner. Select the image for the scene. Paste the corresponding video prompt and start generating the video. Repeat the same process for all 11 scenes. If you run into generation limits or errors after creating a few videos, simply switch to another account and continue generating the remaining scenes. Now that all the videos are ready, transfer them back to your computer or laptop. Once you've moved all 11 video clips, we'll combine and edit them into the final video. I'll be using CapCut Desktop for the editing process. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the video clips, then arrange them on the timeline in the correct order, scene by scene, just like this. Now, select all the video clips on the timeline. Increase the scale slightly so the small Meta AI watermark in the corner is cropped out and no longer visible, while keeping the main subject properly framed. Now, select all the video clips again and set the playback speed to 2.00x to make the video feel faster and more engaging. If you'd like, you can also add background music to make it even more entertaining. Once you're happy with the final edit, click Export, choose your preferred settings, and render the video. That's it. Your AI cat cooking video is ready to upload.